It's a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. When you think of Corvette, the first word that should come to mind is performance, and for good reason. Over the years, fewer cars have been able to consistently bring unmatched power and style to the road, and this Corvette Stingray is certainly no exception. With the fast-acting suspension and the incredible 6.2-liter V8 engine, this was bred to be the perfect driving machine. The driver-focused cockpit was designed with your comfort and convenience in mind, with leather seats, dual-zone climate control, Chevy MyLink, and OnStar with 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot.
Let your music envelop the cabin with the Bose sound system. You don't have to take your eyes off the road for the information you need with the heads-up display. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what's behind you.
When it comes to heart racing performance, nothing beats this Corvette Stingray. Feel the power today.
At Finley Chevrolet, we're different, we're better, and we prove it. Finley Chevrolet is conveniently located in the newly developed Southwest at 6800 South Torrey Pines Drive in Las Vegas, Nevada.